Hi, John here. I want to talk to you about Outdoor Solutions Incorporated and their rail hand grips for your swimming pool. These are the best handrail grips on the market for the price. They are neoprene, they are very comfortable, very nice on the hand, and easy to grab a hold of, very easy to install. And they have them in these 4-color selection, which is nice. Tan, royal blue, teal and brown. And each come in 4 different lengths. 4 foot, 6, 8 and 10 foot. As I said, it is very easy to install. It's using a zipper. And it also comes with little zip tight, so you can keep it in place. You make it wet before installation and then zip it right up, all the way down. There are 3 reasons for getting these. Protection from the heat, because when the summer hits in states like California, Arizona, Texas or Florida, you can barely touch these without burning yourself. For safety reason, so nobody hurt themselves by slipping. And third, obviously for aesthetics, it just looks so good.